Hey, Dirt Farmer Jay here from dirtfarmerjay.com. I've got a quick tip for you today. You know, the glue manufacturers, especially my friends over at Titebond, have done a pretty good job with these tips. The problem is, sometimes when you go to use them, they're hard to get a hold of, they get stuck, and you finally get that thing open and closing. There's gotta be a better way. Well, let me show you what it is. Hey, Dirt Farmer Jay here from dirtfarmerjay.com. Thanks for joining me today. You know, when it comes time to open and close these types of bottles, sometimes they're kind of hard to get a hold of and to close. And that just happened right there. And that's a pretty new bottle right there. Well, I'd like to give credit where credit is due, but I can't remember exactly who said this or showed this tip, but it was in one of my mags that I really like to read, either Fine Woodworking or Woodsmith. But somebody came up with this great little handle that all they did is drill a 5/8 inch hole in a little piece of waste wood like this, and then cut a notch here, rounded the ends here, and notice what happens. That fits right under there, and it becomes really easy to pull that up as well as close it. So you can make a bunch of these, which I have, and keep them around wherever I'm gluing up. And the next time I need to access that bottle, I can really get a grip and increase my leverage. Simply grip it. There it is, really easy. Hey, if you found this to be helpful, or you have something like this that you can pass along to the rest of our viewers, we'd love to share it. Write about it in the comments below. And if you found this to be helpful, won't you like the video, and better yet, subscribe to our channel by clicking on the subscribe button, and be sure to ring the bell, and that way you'll get immediate notification the next time we put out one of the great adventures we get to enjoy around here in the shop, the kitchen, out on truck life, or just great product reviews from the home and garden, things that you really use. Hey, until the next time, this is Dirt Farmer Jay from dirtfarmerjay.com.